Insurance is something we all need to have in case disaster strikes. And if and when it does, we hope that the insurance company will settle the claim quickly and fairly. But when the insurance company and the insured don't agree, a lawsuit typically ensues and lawyers get involved.
The lawsuit usually develops obviously out of the unhappiness between the insured and the insurance company. If they determine there is no coverage, they'll advise the insured. The insured will then either accept the determination or not, and if they do not accept it, they'll typically contact an attorney who will then attempt to resolve the matter by contacting the insurance company directly, and if that doesn't work, they'll institute a lawsuit.
Russell Hiles is a trial lawyer in Southern California who has developed and refined a revolutionary new model for managing litigation for insurance companies.
I started my career as a young deputy district attorney, and when I left the district attorney's office, I went to work for a law firm that would use my trial skills. I had tried 238 jury trials. I amassed an enormous amount of knowledge in how to handle lawsuits being assigned from an insurance company and what it would take to handle them correctly and expeditiously. I was given the opportunity to put together a third-party administrator company, which I did, but I used methods that turned everything upside down, just like in Moneyball, looking at statistics for results.
Hiles' model has been proven to reduce legal expense by over 25% and cut the litigation cycle time in half.
Hiles & Associates manage in a totally different way than the traditional model. We manage basically by the use of statistics. We keep accurate statistics on virtually everything, and the people that perform well will show up in the statistics. We eliminate written reports and all the extraneous items that are not necessary because we are all about speed of resolution. We want every case resolved as quick as it can possibly be resolved, and that is rewarded by us assigning files to outside counsel.
For companies that have been frustrated by the inability of in-house personnel to effectively reduce legal expense and improve outcomes, Russell Hiles & Associates offers a solution.
The trial lawyers like our model better than the traditional model for a number of reasons. We properly incentivize the trial lawyer. Number one, we cut out extraneous reports that are not necessary. And trial lawyers hate writing lengthy reports time and time again saying the same thing. We pay them uncontested on their bills within 5 to 10 days. We don't have any bill review company that goes through them, but we pay their bills virtually immediately. The additional aspect is if they do our work and they do it quickly and efficiently, they will get more and more and more files. So they will build their inventory, they'll get paid quickly, and they'll be able to avoid this unnecessary nonsense.
It's filed in the 444th Judicial District Court of Cameron, which is down in Brownsville.
One of the tools Hiles uses in his day-to-day operation is video conferencing.
We decided at Hiles & Associates to use video conferencing for several reasons. With video conferencing, you can talk to them directly, and in some cases, our counsel has called us and said we need to have a video conference on an emergency basis. Then we would immediately fire up the video conferencing and talk to that person. So you get to see their demeanor, how they're giving you information, and you get information in real time. It's a boon to the industry, and it's a blessing for us.
The hope for Hiles is that his unique model will change the entire field of litigation management for the better, for everyone involved. To learn more about Russell Hiles & Associates, contact them today